Alright, the first example that we're going to look at is one of your classmates' essays from Friday. So I'm going to go ahead and read it aloud and show you how I would go about grading this. So, the first thing, it says, I feel like the European is and imperialism was a bad thing for the world. So the first thing that I would do is I would go and I would look and evaluate that claim. What I see with that claim is basically they're restating the question. There's a typo, and they are answering the question. So I would say overall, I would give them full credit on that. So let's continue on. My first reason is that they brought slaves to do their work. So this person's saying that imperialism was bad because they brought slaves to do their work. You'll notice that there is zero textual evidence. So I would make a note of that. Do they have a support? Yes. Does it have textual evidence? No. So maybe we go back. Next, they killed most of them because they didn't want to go with them. Again, there's a couple typos, but overall we get the idea that the treatment of slaves was the problem. Is it a support? It is. Does it have textual evidence? It does not. So let's go back. It says, finally, the European brought disease to the New World. Again, no textual evidence, but it is definitely a support. So let's go back. In conclusion, the European were a bad thing to this world with my three supports. I think what they meant was the European and the idea of imperialism was a bad thing for the world. So overall, I would give this particular essay, they just simply repeat the introduction. So I would say that they got 6, 10, let's see, 12, 18, 22. So I would say a 22 out of 30 on this one.